In this video, we're diving into how to integrate Monday.com with Mailchimp quickly and efficiently. If you've been struggling to connect these two powerful tools, or if you just want to streamline your workflow, stick around because I'm about to show you exactly how to do it and why this integration might not be the perfect fit for everyone. First off, let's quickly touch on what Monday.com and Mailchimp are. Monday.com is a project management tool ideal for teams that need to track tasks, deadlines, and workflow. It's highly customizable and can scale to just about any project. Mailchimp, on the other hand, is a top-tier email marketing platform that helps businesses manage email campaigns, automate processes, and analyze performance. Now, if you're looking to combine the project management power of Monday.com with the marketing reach of Mailchimp, this integration is a game changer. Next thing, why would you even need to integrate these two? The main benefit is automation. By integrating Monday.com with Mailchimp, you can automate tasks like sending out emails based on project updates or triggering email campaigns when certain tasks are completed. This cuts down on manual work and keeps your marketing aligned with your project management. For example, once a project status changes to complete, Mailchimp can trigger a follow-up email campaign to clients. Moving on, the process itself is relatively simple, but it's not without its complications. To start, you'll need to go into your Monday.com account, then to the Integrations tab. From there, you'll find Mailchimp as one of the available integrations. After clicking to integrate, you'll be prompted to log into your Mailchimp account to authorize the connection. The setup is straightforward, if everything goes as expected. However, sometimes there can be issues with syncing lists or selecting the correct fields to map your data properly, which can be frustrating. The fourth thing to keep in mind, while this integration is great for sending emails based on your project status, it's not perfect. The integration doesn't give you the full Mailchimp experience, such as the ability to create advanced email workflows directly from Monday.com. If you're looking for a more robust email marketing system that integrates seamlessly with your project management tool, this might feel like it's missing some key features. And speaking of features, another limitation of this integration is that the free version of both Monday.com and Mailchimp may limit the number of automations you can set up. You'll need to upgrade to the paid plans to really make the most of the integration, which could get costly if you're running multiple campaigns or have a large team. Next, let's talk about alternatives. While Monday.com and Mailchimp do have this integration, there are other tools out there that provide a more seamless experience, especially if you're looking to integrate both project management and email marketing in a more cost-effective and feature-rich way. One tool that stands out is Insert Competitor tool here. It offers a much smoother integration with both project management and email marketing without as many limitations. Plus, it has better automation capabilities and offers a free trial that lets you test the waters before committing. Now, here's the exciting part, if you're interested in checking out the integration between Monday.com and Mailchimp, or if you're curious about alternatives, I've got an exclusive extended free trial link just for you in the description. Plus, I've added some other great alternatives that do a better job at achieving what you want from this integration, and they also offer free trials. So, if you're serious about optimizing your project management and marketing workflows, make sure you check out the link in the description below. You'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab that trial before it's too late.